Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are working on yet another speed art rendering.
Another one.
This time with the latest release from McLaren Sport Series. This is the 600LT, which is the more hardcore version of the 570S. It's about 200 pounds lighter, has about 30 more horsepower than the standard car, and it shoots flames straight out of the engine cover. I originally wasn't going to film this since it was a relatively simple idea that I had for the design, so sorry if this is a shorter video, but I figured it was worth throwing together really quick. As always, comment below and let me know your opinion on this spec and how you would spec your 600LT if you were getting one. Thanks again for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.